How to fix RedotPay Identity Verification Rejected. So if your identity verification is not approved or rejected or it failed under RedotPay, I have in here this article that can help us. So RedotPay, they actually prioritize a seamless, secure user experience. That's why they actually implemented the KYC or Know Your Consumer or Customer. So if you have unsatisfactory age or if you are actually 17 years old or below, it's a very good or a very high chance that you will be rejected. So if you're also on the Reddit Pay unsupported countries or regions list, you will also be rejected for that. So the common reasons for the facial recognition failure is if you have glasses, you have incomplete facial capture, you have discrepancy with the ID photo, as well as facial identity mismatch, or as well as other issues for your camera or your system. Now, if you also been rejected because of your documents, you need to make sure that you have valid documents with a supported document type. If you have unsatisfactory document photo, that will also be rejected. If your document is expired, you will be rejected. And if you have duplicate verification and problematic basic information, you will also be rejected through that way. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, feel free to like and subscribe. It really helps support the channel. And if you've got a question, just drop it in the comments.